all of you mute your mic. Let us start the session. So today we are going to start revision number 2 of chapter number 5, arithmetic progression. And this is the types of questions, and let us discuss what we have completed in the first session. Definition based questions में ये 3 topics हम लोग cover कर चुके हैं already. Okay, number of nth term of an AP में to find which term or to find AP if any two terms are given, or to find nth term, and this also we have seen. So only this type of questions will be are left, and we will see along with some more questions also we'll see, and some of n terms we will start up today, and we'll complete we will try to complete first question. Okay, that first type of question, that is to find Sn if AP is given, right? So nth term of an AP, we completed these 2 questions and this also, and one example from these 2, because these 2 are interconnected only, right? So I'm going to start with one very good question, that an AP consists of 50 terms, of which third term is 12. जिसमें third term दिया हुआ और last term दिया हुआ, and we have to find the 29th term. Okay, this is based on this type of question, to find the particular term if other 2 terms are given. So other 2 terms means third term and the last term, that is 50th term is given. Okay, and we need to find the 29th term. So let us start with the first step. Let A and D be the first term and common difference respectively of the given AP. Okay, किसी का mic on है देखो. And the third term is given 12. The third term is given 12, and the last term, that is 50th term, is given 106. So how will you write A3? How will you write A3?
A plus 2D.
Right, A plus 2D. How will you write A50?
A plus 49.
Right, A plus 49D. Okay, we'll start with A3 is equals to 12. That is A plus 2D is equals to 12. Let it be equation number 1. And the next one is A50 is equals to 106. That is A plus 49D is equals to 106. Let it be equation number 2. Okay, now we have to solve these 2 equations. So any coefficients are same?
Coefficient of A.
Right, coefficient of A is same. So sign is also same. So what we have to do? Addition or subtraction?
Subtraction.
Very good. Subtraction we have to do. So if we do the subtraction, minus, 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 all sign will be changed, and this 2 will be cancelled, and we are getting minus 47 D is equals to minus 94. Okay, minus 94. So minus minus cancel, and what is the value of D?
2.
Right. So subtracting 1 from 2. So अगर हम लोग 2 को 1 से माइनस करेंगे तो दोनों माइनस आ रहा है. If you subtract 1 from 2, reverse में माइनस करेंगे तो we will not get minus sign. We will get directly 47D is equals to 94, and this will imply D is equals to 2. Now we'll substitute this value in equation 1. Okay, that is A plus 2 into 2, that is 4, is equals to 12. Then we will shift 4 to this side. So 12 minus 4. So what we are going to get?
8.
8. Right. So the value of A is 8. Now we need to find the 29th term. So A29. So what is A29?
A plus 28.
Very good. A plus 28D. So we will substitute the value of A and D here. Okay, 8 plus 28 into 2. So 28 into 2 is 56 plus 8. What you will get?
64.
Right, 64. So 64 is the required 29th term. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
No,
Okay.
sir.
Now this is also based on which term you have to find. Okay, to find the term of the given AP based on some conditions, right? So the term is 132 more than its 54th term. Okay, so what is the AP given? That 3, 15, 27, 39. And what is A here?
3.
3. And what is D here?
15 minus 3.
Right, first we will write A1, A2, no need to write this too. You can write, it is good. So now we have to find the value of d. So how will you find d? A2 minus
A2 minus
A1.
A1.
So what you will get? 15 minus 3, 12. Right.
12.
12.
So the value of d is 12. Okay, so we got a, that is first term 3. This is the first term, and this is the value of d. Now what is given? What is given that the term is 132 more than its 54th term. So let the nth term is 132 more than its 54th term. So कैसे लिखेंगे उसको? an is equals to a54 plus 132. Whether this is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. More than means plus the 132 more than means plus 132 और किससे ज़्यादा है? 54th term से. So a54 plus 132. Now what is the formula of an?
An equal to A plus
A
N
plus
minus 1
N
into D.
minus 1 into D.
Right, very good. And a54?
A plus
40 plus
A plus?
53D.
Very good.
50.
A plus 53D. So we'll substitute all the values. Now here we can eliminate A from both sides. Okay, whether this is clear? Because दोनों का sign same है. So या तो substitute करके eliminate करेंगे. 3 3 if you eliminate 3 3. Now add this two. 53 into 12. इन दोनों को multiply करके 132 add करो. So if suppose you are not able to multiply, if you don't want to multiply with this, what you can do, I will explain. So what is the common between these two? 12.
Yes, sir.
So 12 अगर common लेंगे, so 53 plus 11 बच मिलेगा. Okay, so this you keep in your mind. Okay, now I am going to eliminate 3 from both sides, and 53 into 12 is 636 plus 132. Okay, now if you add these two, you will get 768. Okay, 768 is divisible by 12, so we will divide it and we'll get 64. Right, this is one way. Another way, I told you 12 into 53 plus 11. So यहाँ पे जो 12 है, ये 12 और 12 cancel हो जाएगा and we'll get 64. ठीक है, without multiplying, without adding also we can do it right like that. Whether this way is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So finally what we are going to get? N is equals to
65.
65.
65. So which term? The question is which term? So 65th term is more 132 more than its 54th term. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Now we'll move towards to find the number of terms. How many? अगर question आया how many, which term, that means you have to find n value. पिछले question में भी हम लोग n निकाले थे. So how many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7? So which is the first 3-digit number which is divisible by 7?
994.
First 3-digit number जो 7 से divide होगा. 105.
105.
Yes. 105 के बाद हम लोग क्या करेंगे? 7 7 ऐड करते जाएंगे. What is the last 3-digit number which is divisible by 7? Last 3-digit number.
994.
Right, very good. So 105, 112, 119 up to 994. हम लोग को बस यही फाइंड करना है कि इसमें कितने नंबर्स हैं. So that means, और in other word 994 कौन सा टर्म है? This is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we can't use direct AP here because it is nowhere it is written that AP. पिछले क्वेश्चन में AP लिखा हुआ था, so यहाँ पे AP लिखा नहीं है, तो हम लोग को यहाँ पे लिखना पड़ेगा कि ये AP फॉर्म कर रहा है. So how will you write? You can write in a simple statement that since each term is uniformly increasing by 7, so it will form an AP. Whether this is clear?
Yes, sir.
Increasing by 7 means D is 7 plus 7. And what is the first term?
105.
Right. So A is equals to 105 and D is equals to 7.
7.
Now we will take this 994 nth term, an. This is clear. And what is the formula of an?
A
A
plus
plus
N
n minus 1 into D.
Very good. A plus n minus 1 into d. Now we'll substitute all the values, a and d. The value of a is 105. The value of d is 7. Okay. If we shift 105 to this side, so it will become minus 105. Okay. और ये दोनों को subtract करेंगे तो कितना आ रहा है? How much we are getting? 800.
889.
Right. 889 is divisible by 7. Right? It is divisible by 7. We are getting 127. And finally, what is the value of n? If we shift minus 1 to this side,
128.
128.
right, 128. So how many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7? 128.
128.
Okay. This type of question may ask in collaboration with sum of n terms. Question जो बोल रहा हूँ ध्यान से सुनो. Find all the 3-digit numbers. Find the sum of all the 3-digit numbers divisible by 7. You got my question? So उसमें पहले हम लोग को n निकालना पड़ेगा using this formula. Then again sum of n terms formula you have to use. So वैसा question भी direct आ सकता है. Okay? So now we are moving towards some additional type of questions. So these are all whatever we are doing right now. These are additional questions, and we'll do one word problem also. The sum of 4th and 8th term of an AP is 24. And the second, 6th and 10th term is 44. Okay, let the first term be A and the common difference is D. So what is the 4th term? A4. How will you write A4?
A
A plus 5D.
A plus
A
3D.
plus 3D.
A
5D
plus
कौन
3D.
बोला? And how will you write 8th term?
A
A
plus
plus
7.
70.
A plus 7D. 6th term?
A plus
A
5D.
plus 5D.
A plus 5D. 10th term?
A plus
A plus
9D.
9D.
A plus 9D. Right. We'll start with the first one. Okay. By the question, according to the question, A4 plus A8 is equals to 24. So this is A plus 3D and this is A plus 7D. So A plus A will become 2A and 3D plus 7D will become 10D.
10D.
Okay. So we can further reduce it. We can further reduce it.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Divide all by 2. What you will get?
A plus
Plus 5D is equal to 12.
Right. A plus 5D is equals to 12. Let it be question number 1.
D is equal to
And the
12.
next one is the sum of 6th term and the 10th term. That is A6, A10. Right? What is A6? A
A
plus
plus
5D.
A plus 5D.
And this is A plus 9D. So we'll substitute. Again here also A plus A 2A and 5D plus 9D is 14D. So 2A plus 14D is equals to 44. Right? Now again we will divide all the terms by 2. So what you will get?
A
Plus
plus
70.
70 is equal to 22.
Right, A plus 70 is equals to 22. Let it be question number 2.
22.
Now we have to solve first and second equation. So anything is, the coefficient is same. Any coefficient is same.
A.
Coefficient of A.
A.
And the sign is also same. So we are going to subtract. Okay. So अगर दोनों को subtract करेंगे. So minus minus. So A will be cancelled. This also minus. So minus 2D is equals to minus 10 we are getting. और रिवर्स ऑर्डर में सब्ट्रैक्ट करोगे तो 2d is equals to 10. Right? So subtracting 1 from 2, reverse wala. 2d is equals to 10. So what is the value of d?
5.
5. Very good. D is equals to 5. Now next, the value of d we will substitute in any one equation. We'll substitute here. So 5 into 5, 25 we will shift here. 12 minus 25. How much?
minus 13.
13.
Minus 13. Right, fine. So अब हम लोग को first 3 terms निकालना है. So first 3 terms is, first term we already got, that is minus 13. Second term minus 13 plus 5. and the third term is minus 13 plus 5 plus 5. That is 2 times of 5. So this will become 13. This will become
-8.
-8.
minus 8. Very good. This will become
-10.
-3.
minus 3.
-3.
Minus 3, right. So minus 13, minus 8 and minus 3 is the required first 3 terms of the AP. Any doubt here?
No, sir.
Okay, now
No,
we'll
sir.
go through one word problem. Ram Kali saved rupees 5 in the first week of a year and then increased weekly savings every week by rupees 1.75. If in the nth week her weekly savings become rupees 20.75, find the value of n. So first of all, उसका जो saving है, that is increasing uniformly every week by rupees 1.75. So what you have to write, since each weekly savings, each weekly savings is increasing uniformly by rupees 1.75, therefore it will form an AP. Okay. First तो हम लोग लिखेंगे कि amount saved by Ramkali in first week is rupees 5 and increase in weekly saving every week is rupees 1.75. Now since the weekly saving increasing uniformly by rupees 1.75, it forms an AP. So what is A and what is D?
Sir, A is 5 and D is
5 and D is
2.75.
2.75.
A is 5 and D is 1.75. Okay. Now we will take this as AN, that is 20.75. Now what is AN formula?
A plus
A
n
plus
minus
n
1
minus 1 into
Right, A plus n minus 1 into D is equals to 20.75. Now we'll substitute the value of A, that is 5, and D 1.75. Now shift 5 to this side, minus 5. So 20.75 minus 5, you will get 15.75. Now n minus 1 is equals to 15.75 divided by 1.75. तो दोनों को 100 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो डेसिमल हट जाएगा, राइट? या मल्टीप्लाई डिवाइड बाय 100 करेंगे, दोनों को डिवाइड बाय 100 करेंगे तो ये दोनों 100 कैंसिल हो जाएगा. ये यू कैन मल्टीप्लाई न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर बाय 100. ओके, नाउ दिस इज डिविजिबल बाय दिस, you will get 9.
9.
9.
So final value of n, if you shift minus 1 to
10.
this side,
10.
10.
10.
10.
Right. So answer is, in the 10th week, Ramkali's weekly saving becomes rupees 20.75. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay. Now we are going to move towards some more additional type of question. Say this is very important question. If 7 times the 7th term of an AP is equal to 11th times its 11th term, show that 18th term of the AP is 0. Okay. So what is given that 7 times the 7th term means 7A7. 11th times its 11th term means 11 into A11. Whether this is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is A7?
A plus
6D.
Very good, A plus 6D. And what is A11?
A
A
plus
plus
10.
10.
Right, so we'll substitute A plus 6D, A plus 10D. Now we'll multiply. So what we are going to get, 7A मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद ये वाला टर्म इधर शिफ्ट करेंगे, दैट इज 11A, एंड दिस 42D वी विल शिफ्ट हियर. ओके, वन स्टेप मैं यहाँ पे स्किप किया हूँ. मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद 11A इस तरफ शिफ्ट करेंगे और 42D इस तरफ शिफ्ट करेंगे. सो दिस विल बिकम minus 4A and this will become what? 68. Okay, so A is equals to, what we are going to get, A is equals to minus 17D or minus A is equals to 17D. Clear है? A is equals to minus 17D. So minus A को अगर इधर शिफ्ट किए तो प्लस A हो जाएगा. Similarly I told A is equals to minus 17D. If you shift minus 17 to left side, you will get this one. Now what is this? 18th term, right?
18.
So this will imply 18th term is equals to 0. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
We'll see one more question. This is board question 2016. Fourth term of an AP is 0. Prove that 25th term of an AP is 3 times its 11th term. So fourth term, A4 is equals to 0. What is A4?
A plus
A plus
3D.
3D.
Right,
plus
very
3D.
good. A plus 3D. So what is A? Minus 3D. Very good. Minus 3D. Let it be question number 1. Now we'll find 25th term. A25. What is A25?
A plus
A plus
24.
24D.
Right, A plus 24D. Fine. Now we'll substitute minus A is equals to minus 3D here. Right? So what you will get?
21D.
21D.
Minus 21D or plus 21D. क्या मिलेगा?
Plus
Plus
21D.
Very good.
21D.
Plus 21D will get. So let it be equation number 2. Okay. Now next we'll find the 11th term. 11th term, how will you write?
A plus 10D.
Very good. A plus 10D. Now again we'll substitute A is equals to minus 3D. So what you will get from here?
Plus
70.
70.
Plus
Plus
70. Right. Now from 2 and 3 we can clearly say that we can say that directly that A11 A25 is 3 times A11. Why? Because 21D is 3 into 7D. Clear?
Yes, sir.
3 into 7D means 21D होगा ना, तो we can say that A25 is 3 times A11. वही proof करना था. Okay, now we'll move towards one more good question. Find the number of natural numbers between 101 and 999 which are divisible by both 2 and 5. Now see, the number divisible by both 2 and 5 is divisible by 10. Right?
Yes, sir.
The number which is divisible by both 2 and 5 are divisible by 10.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right? So what is the first number between these two which is divisible by 10?
110.
110.
What is the last number?
999.
990. Very good. So the natural number between 101 and 999 which are divisible by both 2 and 5 are 110, 120, 130 up to 990. Again we can write here, since each term is uniformly increasing by 10. So therefore it will form an AP. And what is the first term here?
110.
And common difference D is equals to plus 10. Okay. So now we have to find which term is 990. Number of terms के लिए 990 कौन सा term है, that we have to find. So let an is equals to 990. So what is the formula of an?
A plus
A plus n minus
Plus
1.
Right,
minus
a plus
1
n minus
into
1
D.
into D is equals to 990. So we'll substitute the value of A and D, that is 110 and 10. Now shift 110 to this side, subtract, you will get 880. Okay, or what you can do, you can divide all by 10. That would be very easy. Now shift 11 to this side, it will become 88. Now what is the final answer?
89.
89.
Right, if you shift minus
89.
1 to this side, it will become plus 1. So n is equals to 89. Hence, the required number of natural numbers is equals to 89. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Now one very good question and very different question is, find the middle term of the AP. This is 2015 board question. Middle term. So middle term के लिए we should know the total number of terms. So first we will find the total number of terms, that is n. So what is A here?
6.
6.
Okay, fine. And what is D? Second
Seven.
term minus first term. Second term
Seven.
minus first term.
7.
Right. D is equals to 7. Now let the nth term, that is an, is equals to 216. Now what is an?
A plus n minus 1
Right, a plus n minus 1 into d is equals to 216. We'll substitute the value of a and b here. That is 6 plus n minus 1 into 7 is equals to 216. Now shift 6 to this side, minus 6. So we'll get 210. Now 210 is divisible by 7. So what we are going to get? 30.
30.
30.
30. What is the final answer of n? If you shift minus 1 to
31.
31.
31.
right, 31 is an odd number. So odd number में एक ही middle term होगा. Which one? n plus 1 by 2. Median मालूम है ना? Median 9th class में पढ़े हो.
Yes, sir.
Individual का.
Yes, sir.
Individual discrete series का n plus 1 by 2 odd number. अगर even number है तो n by 2. Even number है तो दो middle term होंगे. एक n by 2 और एक n by 2 plus 1. ठीक है, n by 2 2th term और n by 2 plus 1th term. ये odd number है, so n plus 1 by 2. So 31 plus 1 by 2. So which term is the middle term?
16.
16.
Right, 16th. Good. So that means A16 we have to find. What is A16?
A plus 15.
Very good. A plus 15D. A is 6
6.
and D is 7. So we'll substitute. 15 into 7 is 105 plus 6. What you will get?
111.
Right. 111. So this is the required answer. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay. Now we are going to start the revision of sum of first n terms of an AP. So let us start with the general form. What is the general form of an AP? A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D,
plus
up to
3D,
A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay, and the sum of all the n terms we can write it as S is equals to, suppose S denote the sum of n terms, A plus second term A plus D, A plus 2D, up to A plus n minus 1 into D. Let it be equation number 1. Now what will happen if you reverse the order? Whether the sum will change or you will get the same sum?
Change.
Change up. अच्छा ठीक है.
The same sum.
Change.
2, 3, 4, 5 ले लो. 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. If you reverse the order, 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2, whether the sum change?
No, sir. No, sir.
No. Okay. So we are going to rewrite this the same sum S by reversing the order. So sum will be same. अब हम लोग क्या करेंगे? We will add the term, okay, corresponding term. First term with the first term, second term with the second term. Already we did in the regular class. This is the revision only. So हम लोग को अगर हर एक corresponding terms if we will add, we will get, no, the last one is wrong. This one. Okay, if we add all the corresponding terms, we will get A plus 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Right? सारे corresponding terms हम लोग को क्या मिलेगा? 2A plus n minus 1 into D. So we'll get n times. ये पूरे कितने हैं? All are n times. So n times means we can write n into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Right? And this 2 you can shift here. So it will become n by 2. So this is the sum of n terms formula. And see, if you split 2A by A plus A. So how will you write this one? A plus n minus 1 into D.
AN.
AN, right? So this is the second formula. Sometimes we use L as a last term. So A n by 2 into A plus L. So this formula is very useful when the last term is known to us. Okay. So now we are going to start the first type of question to find the sum. If AP is given, then the total number of terms is given. And before that, let us have a glance of different types of questions to find Sn if AP is given and the value of n is given. To find Sn based on some given condition, this I will tell you. And Sn to An based question, An to Sn based question, and word problems. And the last one is additional problem. This also will do it. So let us start with the first type of question. The AP is given and the number of terms is given. Okay. So what is A here?
2.
Okay. What is D?
5.
5.
Five.
Right. So A is equals to 2 and D is equals to second minus first term, that is 7 minus 2, 5, and the N is 10. And we know the formula Sn, that N by 2, 2A plus N minus 1 into D. So we'll substitute all the values. So it will become 10 by 2, 2 into 2 plus 10 minus 1 into 5. Okay. So what we are going to get, 4 plus 9 into 5, 45. Okay. So this also can be cancelled. So we had 5 into 49. 5 into 49, that is 245. Any doubt here? This is
No,
direct
sir.
question only. Next, what is the first term?
Minus 37.
Minus 37.
Okay. What is the common D common difference, second term minus first term? Whether it is increasing or decreasing?
Degree.
Increasing order. माइनस छोटा हो रहा है मतलब बड़ा बड़ा है वैल्यू, बड़ा बढ़ रहा है ये. इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर में डी पॉजिटिव रहेगा, डिक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर में डी नेगेटिव रहेगा. दैट यू हैव टू कीप इन योर माइंड. Okay, so minus 33 minus of minus 37 will become plus 37. So we'll get 4 and n is 12. Right? Now we'll write the formula Sn. We'll substitute all the values, that is 12 by 2, 2 into minus 37, 12 minus 1, that is into 4. Okay, so this will become minus 74 plus 11 into 4, 44. And this we can cancel it with this one, 6 we will get. So 6 into minus 30 we are getting. Okay, so final answer is minus 180. Any doubt here?
No, sir.
Okay, we'll see one more question, decimals. Third bit and fourth bit is fraction. That also we'll see. What is the value of A?
0.6.
Okay, so what is the value of D here? Second term minus first term?
1 plus 1.
1.1. And what is the value of N? 100.
100.
Okay, so we'll write all this. A 0.6, D is 1.1 and N is 100. Now we'll write the formula N by 2, 2A plus N minus 1 into D. Now substitute all the values. 100 by 2, 2 into 0.6, 100 minus 1 into 1.1. Okay, so this will become 1.2 and this is 99 into 1.1, it is 108.9. Then add this two and multiply it with 50. You will get final answer 5505. Any doubt here?
No, sir.
Now we are moving towards the last question of today's session. What is the first term here?
1 by 15.
1 by 15. And what is the common difference? That is 1 by 12 minus 1 by 15. ठीक है, निकालते हैं हम लोग. So if you take LCM of these two, it is 60. And here 5 and here 4 will come. So what is D?
1 by
1 by
16.
16.
Right, 1 by 60. And what is N?
11.
11.
11.
Okay. Now we'll write the formula and we'll substitute all the value. 11 by 2, 2 into 1 by 15, 11 minus 1 into 1 by 60. Okay, so this will become 10, 10 by 60. Clear? And you can simplify also, otherwise you can take LCM. It is up to you. If you take LCM, you will get 60. And here 8 will come. 8 plus 10. Okay, if you cancel, it will become 1 by 6. And the LCM of this two is, what you will get LCM? 30. सो इसको 2 से इंटू करना है और इसको 5 से इंटू करना है. सो विल गेट 4 प्लस 5 दैट इज 9/30. सो यहाँ पे कैंसिल कर सकते हैं हम लोग. 3 3s are and 3 10s are. So what we are going to get?
33/20.
33/20. So this is the final answer. Okay. So now let us move towards the next topic. The next topic is the next section is assignment questions. So I have given total 8 questions. All are board questions only. Okay. And you have to complete, and I will post it through Google Classroom. Okay. So that's all for today's session. Thank you very much.